Welcome to my channel, good people. Today I will talk about lithium-ion batteries. And if you are curious and ask me why, well, you see, electric vehicles is rapidly replacing gasoline vehicles. As a result, the demand for EV car is projected to rise significantly within the next 5 years. And then larger percentage of EV uses lithium-ion batteries. Consequently, the need for a recycling of the lithium-ion batteries becomes very essential to keep up with the demand. Okay, hear this. In 2018, global EV sales rose from, say, 64% over 2017 figures. And by 2025, EVs will make up nearly, say, 10% of all passenger car sales. So, grab a copper and then subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Come on, people, we can do it. We can do it. Okay, to inform you, lithium-ion is not only used by EV, but also used by you and me. I mean, by consumer electronics, medical and industrial application, etc. And I think you want to know why I'm telling you all this. Or let's say you want to know the implication of all this. Then hang on. I mean, stay tuned. Okay. Just in case you do not know, there is a significant e-waste challenge presented by non-recycled lithium-ion batteries when improperly handled or not recycled. Okay? In addition to an exponential increase in hazardous waste across the globe. And if you ask me, I will say no government of any nation wants to neglect this reality. I mean, this potential danger. Okay, now. This is when American Battery Metal Corporation, with ticker symbol ABML, based in Nevada in the US, steps in to provide solution. Okay, I know you will say, there are several other recycling companies, and why this company? Then stay tuned. Let me tell you how and what American Battery Corporation is doing differently and what they are up to. Meanwhile, please hear this so as to avoid confusion. Please read this. Okay, let me read it to you. The American Battery Metal Corporation is in the process of changing its name to American Battery Technology Company, ABTC. So if I use the word ABTC, I'm also referring to American Battery Metal Corporation. Moving on. Okay, then hear this again. This is how ABTC, American Battery Corporation, is meeting the supply chain challenge by developing an integrated lithium-ion battery recycling facilities. While many conventional methods of lithium-ion battery recycling typically produce cobalt and nickel, the ABTC process completely recycles and recovers every critical element from a battery pack while producing, note that, zero waste. And you will agree with me that this company has a unique business moat, which is the recycling of lithium-ion, and then a competitive advantage moat because of the methodology they deploy in processing the battery, their batteries. Okay. More so because they are pioneer in this area. Okay, please listen to this again. Listen to the company highlights to tell you more about this company. American Battery Metal Corporation aims to be a leading vertical integrated lithium and battery metals producer in the US. American Battery Metal Corporation is positioning itself to provide a sustainable and profitable business for recycling end-of-life batteries. Scalable commercial lithium battery recycling facility capable of processing 20,000 of free stock each year is expected to come online in mid 2020. Already started. Anyway, American Battery Metal Corporation is led by an experienced management and technical team. Management holds approximately 25% of the company's outstanding shares. And then, in another development, American Battery Metal Corporation has been granted $4.5 million in 2021 by the US government for research and development. That said, okay, hear this, it's not going to be a smooth ride. No, sir. No, auntie, and no, brother. You should expect some pullback, retracement if you like, as the journey continues. And I suppose you know by now that stock moves in impulsive and corrective pattern. However, the good news with this company is, ABTC is thus. It has potential for massive upside within say 2 to 4 years. Meaning your investment will appreciate with time. At the present price of say $1.96 during the production of this video, I say it's a good bargain. I will buy the dip. Okay? And let me say this is just my opinion. Do your research. And I'm not financially incentivized to produce this video on their behalf. Okay? This is just my opinion. Okay, now, remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Come on now, everybody, we can do it. And thanks to those who have subscribed already. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.